Have you ever tried to deep clean your car seat? A. Yes, regularly. B. Yes, a few times when it needs it. C. No, because it is still clean. D. No, didn't know you could. Comment below with your answer. Hey everyone, it's Nicole here with our Children Our Future La Cloche Early On Child and Family Center. Thanks for joining me today for Family Matters. Today we are talking about how to get car seats clean. Step 1 is you must consult your manual. Every seat is so different. I would be deceiving you if I could tell you I knew all of the car seats and how to clean all of them. You have to look at your manual. Once we have consulted our manual, it will give us step-by-step instructions on how to either take our seat apart or what we can and cannot do to clean our car seat. Now that I know how to do my seats, I'm going to take my cover off. It did tell me in my instruction manual step by step on how to do this, but I've done it before. So I know that there are some elastics around the bottom and that there are tabs along my side that usually pull off. They can be a little difficult, especially if you've never done it before, and they just kind of pop off the sides. Again, if it's not really working out for you or it's not coming off as easily as you think it should be, consult your manual, make sure that you're taking it off correctly. It can get a little tricky because all of our straps and everything are connected inside. Oftentimes we have to take our straps out or apart. To undo the top straps, simply unloop them from the T-connector on the bottom or the back of your seat. Then pull them out of the front of your seat. The next step is to remove any accessories that might be on your seat. Again, consult your manual to find out if these accessories can be washed in a washing machine or if they need to be hand washed. On the bottom, there is this square metal piece. It is the same color as my seat. So what this is, it just holds this crotch strap in place. But if I slant it so that it's flat and turn it slightly so that I feed it back through the hole, sometimes it takes a little patience, it will fall through the hole. And then I'm able to remove the whole crotch strap. Using your manual, check and see how your insert unclips. Some are very specific on where to start or how to unclip it. You also need to be mindful that you'll have to pull out the inside straps through the slots, which could take a little time as it can be a tight fit. Once you have all of that removed, it should just come right out of your seat. So as per my manual, I'm able to put this whole thing in the washing machine on a delicate with a gentle soap and cold water, and I can actually, for my model, as per my manual, I am allowed to put it in the dryer for up to 15 minutes on low, and then I like to hang it outside. When it comes to cleaning your straps, it's really important to consult your manual. As your manual will tell you, soaking your straps or washing them in the washing machine is not good for your straps as it causes fraying or deterioration of the material over time. What they recommend is wiping your straps with a damp cloth with mild soap and water, no chemicals, and using Q-tips or cotton swabs to clean out any hard to reach areas. Use a vacuum or wipe to clean out the inside of your seat if needed. Use a mild soap to wipe down the outside of your seat, but be mindful not to remove any of the stickers on your seat as they are very important. Next, we're going to take and put our cover back into place now that it's dry. We're going to use our harness straps and thread them through the bottom holes first, which might take a little time getting the buckles through. And then you can go ahead and clip all of the sides down, making sure that they're secure in place. This might be a little bit trickier, especially if you use the dryer, as it sometimes can slightly shrink the material to make it a little more snug. So you might have to work with it a little bit more. Before we put the harness straps back onto the connector, we need to remember to add our neck protector pads. If you came with your seat, we want to slide those on first. now that I've got my cover back on and secured, I'm going to go ahead and replace my crotch strap in underneath, and I'm going to attach my back buckles underneath as well. When putting your crotch strap buckle back in, ensure it's facing the right direction. Take the metal plate, slip it through the correct slot to the back of the seat, and it'll be secure. Now we need to hook our harness straps onto our connector. Before we do this, we need to ensure there are no twists in our straps. We do this by turning the seat back over, starting where the strap meets the seat, and following it all the way up through to where we threaded it, ensuring there are no twists in our straps. Check your manual to make sure that you know how to reconnect your harness straps to the connector properly. Choose the correct size and thread them on to the connector as shown in your manual. All that's left to do is to check everything over on the seat. So make sure that all of your buckles are connecting and that you can tighten and loosen it as you need to. This will ensure things run smoothly once you have a baby in there and you're trying to put them into the car. Don't forget to add your headrest pillow back to your car seat if it had one. Also take a minute and look through your manual to discover where on your seat you can store your manual so that you always have it. Again, it's super important. Please check your manuals. Every seat is different. Some can't go in the washing machine. Some need to be hand washed. Some are just spot wash. Some are hang to dry. Some you can put in the dryer. If you're unsure or you have questions and you're not sure how to get something clean, call the manufacturer. They're usually more than happy to help you, either send you a replacement part or to help you get that part clean if it really needs a good cleaning. So I hope that helps everybody. We'll see you next time for Family Matters.